Hello there, Craig here from Tier 1. Thank you very much for taking a look at our latest dream build video. Just wanted to go through a few things regarding the video and why we've chosen these particular things as our subject matter today. Now, what we really wanted to do with our dream videos is always highlight some of the best tackle and kit out there that you can get for your money, and how our stuff, our scope mounts, bipods, etc. can complement that. What we really wanted to do with this latest dream build was use pretty much all British items on it. So therefore we've got the Air Arms rifle there, we've got the Hills pump, we've got the Hawke scope, and obviously we've got the Tier 1 products, scope rings, and the bipod, the tactical bipod there. So if it's okay, I'd just like to run through each kind of item we've used individually, why we've picked it, and just tell you a little bit about it. So we'll start with the rifle here. We've got the Air Arms S510 R. The R stands for regulated. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Made in the UK. Now, manufactured in the UK, should I say. This rifle the engineering is absolutely superb. I've always been a big fan of Air Arms. Been going for a lot of years now. The quality has always been exceptional. And this thing, again, it just shows it. The bluing is so deep, it's amazing. It looks like you could swim in it. The stock, beautiful piece of walnut there. The adjustability on it, obviously we're adjustable with the cheek piece here. We've also got the butt plate adjustable up or down. You can always get very, very comfortable with this rifle. It's absolutely stunning. Side lever cocking, magazine fed. It's just an amazing piece of work, really. And then we go on to, we've got the Hawke scope here. Now, this is the 4-16 Sidewinder. Again, Hawke, a very, very long established British optical company. Now, Hawke design everything in-house in the UK. They do get their scopes manufactured overseas, but they control it. Most scope things that you get in the UK, especially for the air rifles, are branded. So basically it's a generic scope they're buying from China or elsewhere, the Philippines maybe, and they'll just have their logo stuck on it. Hawke actually design everything, so these things are made to their specification. The quality control, again, is all done back in the UK. This thing is amazing for the money. I think it retails around £700, but I mean, the clicks on the turrets are superb, they're locked down. It's a first focal plane Milrad scope. It's absolutely tracks wonderfully well. It's just, for an air rifle scope, I'm yet to see anything that gets anywhere near this thing, really. I mean, we can start talking about chromatic aberration, etc., but I mean, this scope will compete head-on with scopes costing twice the money. And it will also, although it will parallax really far down, I believe less than 10 yards, it is still suitable for full-bore centre-fire rifles as well. So that gives you an idea of the build quality of this thing. I just can't praise it highly enough. It also comes with an add-on side wheel, which you didn't use in the video, and also a little leg for the zoom, so you can zoom it quicker as well, and also a sunshade. So it's pretty much got all the bases covered there. And then finally, for the things that we don't supply, we've got the Hills pump here. Now this is the Evo pump. This is Hills' flagship pump for air rifles. Now this thing, I've got my own little pump here, one that I use myself. So this thing absolutely wipes the floor with everything I've ever seen before. This is powerful enough to charge a diving bottle up. It actually charged this rifle from empty up to 250 bar in probably less than 3 minutes. It's absolutely amazing. It's quiet. We did it on the bench here, as you could see. My own pump, which I use, would have probably rattled itself to death, either that or it would have actually broke the table. This thing, it's just, the quality is absolutely outstanding. Again, fully British manufactured is this thing. I can't praise these guys highly enough. Not a cheap product, but unfortunately, you do have to pay when you want the best. If I was in the market for another one, that is what I'd be buying, without a shadow of a doubt. And then we come on to the Tier 1 products. So we've got our tactical bipod. This is our carbon fibre tilt-only version. Again, perfect for this kind of rifle, really. So with this one, as I've said, tilt-only, fully lockable. You can adjust the leg length. There you go. You can actually also have it at 45 degrees, if you like. So you've got a lot of adjustment in that thing. Really is a great bipod. Pretty much our best-selling bipod. And there we go. This is a short length one. We also do it in long leg. We also do it without the carbon fibre, slightly cheaper as well. But we all love a bit of carbon, don't we? And then we go on, these are our 11mm dovetail rings, specifically really for rimfire and air rifle use. So these are our 30mm ones, and these are our medium height ones. Now, each of our ring sets does, in the rear ring, have a bubble level. Can't see it from the camera angle there, but I'll try and get it in there for you. And you've got a bubble level, so you have to come off the stock, but you can actually see the bubble in the back there. These are made to exactly the same tolerances on exactly the same machines from exactly the same materials as all our other mounts. Be that our mono mounts, our tack rings, anything else that we made. Exactly the same material, exactly the same machines, and exactly the same quality standard. You aren't going to find anything better. Again, when you're talking a high-end build like this, where you're using the best components, it just really, really doesn't serve you well to use cheaper rings, inferior rings. Remember guys, you're only as good as the products that you use. So thank you very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the dream build video, and we'll be seeing you soon for some more. Thanks very much. Goodbye.